Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Now well done. Now help me share this video. I say make I see trauma and put for waiting they go on for social media. You know, like this thing where be say they always they common among us. Where we they do. Because the thing sometimes if it can affect you, if it can affect who they doing. If it can affect who they doing, but if it affect who doing, that one not be your problem. But sometimes it good may we they see things. May we they throw away high. May we they throw away high, my people. It good may we they see things, may we they throw away high. May no can just be say, especially we where we come from Edo State, you know. I titled this video for this afternoon, Stop the Hate. I titled it Stop the Hate because I don't see any reason why it be say we go get hatred for ourselves. You know? Concerning the money or whatever they are talking about on this social media. If really you they work, waiting be 10,000 euro. If you they work, waiting be 10,000 euro. If you know they under government benefit for Europe, 10,000 euro not be anything. You can still save it. People they way be say they save them, and you see be say people they way be say they not still sabi save. Not be everybody not sabi save. Some they way be say they really sabi save money. Where some even if hungry they beat them. That money, if they say they not go ever touch them, they not go ever touch them. They go just like to the see and there. You know? And so this life be. But it not mean say maybe because you not get them or you get them, another person come they showcase his or her own. Then you can't go they quarrel with them or no, it not good. It not good. Now ourselves with the user and they bring down. Because I remember those days where be say all this money where be say our Hebrew brothers today that they showcase for social media, and there are people still they are people today they praise them. Now our those brothers start on now them. I remember when they pull heap of dollars, they take go they spray, not be even naira. Heap of dollars put them, arrange them for table, go use and spray for Italy, different party where they go those days. Now they start on. But what's no? If you do holding away lawa, if you do holding lawa, we should stop all this hate, all this hatred that you just somebody not go just do you anything. You just start to the verse for the person. He carry money come out to, you know, carry money come out to. It's not your business. It's none of your business. Whoever carry money come out to, you know, showcase money. Provided that person not the user, they say they create problem. You understand? Then you do your own and let that person do her own too. Now so this life be, my people. Don't be say because you just see say somebody just carry money, then he begin the show and then you go the verse say why they show money. No, not be your problem. Not be your business. Why I say not be your business? Whoever that want to showcase his or her own money, that is their problem. If maybe they are under government, then to know how they go to defend themselves later. You understand? Because I believe many that are taking a government benefit, they know how they go to defend themselves, where they foresee that money. And moreover, if you dey under government benefit, you not go feel just get that kind heavy amount of money, that huge amount of money whereby they no go ask you where you forget the money. It got a lot of things where we say, if you there under government benefits that you no go fit do, you no go ever fit do. If you there under government benefits, you no go fit get many expensive things because definitely they go ask you where you forget the money, where you take do all those things. And moreover, many people don't know before you come under government benefits, say maybe government benefits, you go get the kind of problem where you do. Not be for people where be say they seek asylum from asylum, they give them documents, then government begin they take up their responsibility. Please share this video, guys. Government begin to take up their responsibility. Maybe they come they born, they see they live that life that the government have to take their responsibility. Fine, but those people they not fit the showcase waiting they get for public. You know they possible. They not they fit the showcase waiting they get for public. You know they possible to showcase what you have or the huge amount of money where you get. You can't they show up for social media. You know they possible. But one thing I don't like, if people want to live fake life, it's none of my business. That one are your own business too. If they live fake life, now your business, not be my own business. Not be my own business because I not follow you there. I not there your house. I don't know whether na fake life you they live. Not be fake life you they live. It not concern me. You bring your money come out. It not concern me. Sometimes we need to really learn how to look things, overlook things, and just say, this is none of my business, make I leave this one, make it go. Because why the hatred? Why this say for those social media space? Now so quarrel, especially those way we say they monetize, you know. So they feel say if they not make quarrel or they not make problem, they not go. Oh, Star Roslyn, good evening. Ah, the family, we are fine. Hope yours, you all are good. I greet. Good evening. I will be coming out later, but this video not just for our people. You know, if you be woman, you be woman. Because now, according to one of our sisters, where they say they show money now for social media, you know, Mrs. Yobosa. I watch her maybe 2 or 3 times. I don't watch her. I love her ebony. I love the way she they make her makeup and all those things. But for me, whatever she do with her life, now her life, not be my life. You understand? Not be my life. If person want live fake life, now in your life. If you want live real life, now in your life. After all this celebrity wey we dey see for Nigeria, even Nollywood, Hollywood celebrity, Babariki, I greet you. How you dey? Long time. One and off so I know they too much get time like that. My hands are really tight. Pardon me, eh? So, you know, if person showcase fake life, now her life. He showcase real life, now your life. You see all this Nollywood, Bollywood, or Hollywood, all of them, name them all. Now when it be said that will come their problem, you go can't really know their real lifestyle, say they not get. As people take rate them, say, oh, they have heaven and earth. We don't see them. Many of them. You know, all those in a movie. Like many of them, the last one, the other day, we come out, say, you know, where made them donate money for her. But seeing that man those days in movie, people would think, oh, this man has heaven and earth. Now, so this life be. Whoever that want to fake life, there is a time for everything. There is a time for repercussion. If you are living fake life, it will meet up with you one day. When you now come and start begging people to donate for you. That is how you will know fake life. That is how you will know people who are faking it. So whoever that feel that he or she want to fake their life now, it should be none of your business. Make it not be your business. Make it be that person's business. If he go hold on to that fake life, it no concern us. May we not they pull mouth or go they use and they create problem for where problem not there, or go they use and they insult people for where you not supposed to go insult. You know, it not good. Oma heke ni manivia do ya amwek bi maria ve social media na. Emma Emma tama we na ita. Again, if you don't ni vi gbogido ya uvege na mwe bondo igo ladian. Ima male lunwe tebu. Omarok ba gun ya gwan. E Buhari ma eve do ne ya EFCC ma eve do din ajiwe. Bu wana amigo ni. But again, imani via do na we ave timanik biana avigo. Igo re renjunwe tebu. Ivia doave sevani ya aji ya go shentro. Iya na hulia lawa. Bi mani via dona mo bonje everioni we aga bege o no masoma o no we mi soma o keke na ke o dukun jogba la kana ya na wa ruwa e kodoni ture e ave we gie to boy na ni step in ture awa ko un gba la kani o dukun ni no je ni akodo akpo le dioto Emma unyime ni ma ivia do so nyime social media na unyime no gba o ma mwe bondo igo la dian o Oma mula dian we gera e business we. Oma kan we. Ma ya no mego o fi moto. Awa ma everio. Ma ro no mego no yin keke. Me miene. To ma ti di moto ni. Soro boy soro yan ri an di keke ve kenu we Joseph. I keke so o ran se go no aya di moto. A mi keke 3,000 euros. But we are eating a moto 500. Even no bon 7 et dans donc gwale mienji. E ri o keke no ya live la fe. O ma kan ma keke ni ma do agbo fegbe. O ma keke na agbo fegbe. E ki social media na i via do a waro ne ezezo. We wage maybe nu do ge platform na we ezo ero. Because ezo agaro. Ahia na me view anore. Ahia na do mie no do gbe yevani ien do akoli ado atiebo. We do bege ne we o huoni muigo rere la dian ve peje ria o wa idona ne ri no pa madonna ne. De no hi kan webo o ahe gu malake u gbera o wa gbera o ya age mi owe eri e ma gbona wa lage na do agui ba ona do amo u ba we olive fake life oni magi kan ma o gbe so keke na overlook me. We should learn to overlook things and look people. Overlook things, overlook the way they are behaving. O comment gbeni mani vie do but if ye kon ya we ma akpo bojo ya givigbo abo biku banana veni yana ya muigo de obe mani yana we o bi vie do nara ni muladian ve Nigeria but timana amwe dollar ladian yana ama yu mwetebu but you nui mani vie do na aya fie ya kotana kule ya lawa ni vi gbori ya ni marido ya peleli ya na ya di ivie kon ge iyan we boy. It's not a good thing. We should learn to stop all this hatred. O mama ugwe mi we wa yo bo we wa ya akpole wo kelare. Fake life you know living now stop it. It's none of your business. You don't need to hate people for what they believe or what they are doing. Don't hate anybody. Don't hate anybody. Whatever they feel they want to do, let them do. It's their life. A life no, a life where. Ega no bo ave ya ava ya o be ya be debe do so la dian oni magi kan we ega ni we ado ya we so emi na ya no we ga we ge ne wo nya eri oje magbona. You let people learn from their mistake, let them learn from their lesson, but it's none of your business as at now to judge them. It's not your own priority or your own right now to go and judge them. Oh, stop living fake life. How do you know he or she is living fake life? You don't know. You can never tell. But when you know you are having problem of our fake life, please don't go and be watching such people. Don't go and be watching them. But you want to showcase my hobby bodies, my hobby bodies, my hobby bodies, my hobby bodies. There are people that really want to feel like, oh, I have to tell the whole world that my husband is buying heaven ahead for me. There are people like that. Even if they buy a cup of water themselves, they will still say it's my husband that bought the water. It's just to make other people to feel jealous of what she have. She's just trying to hire her husband to the level of, maybe it's not the husband that is even doing all those things, but because she just want to hire her husband to the world and let people know. then you should also pick from her. Oh, my husband bought Dubai for me. You say, Agbama. If she is saying my husband bought cup of water, my husband ordered this from Dubai, my husband ordered that from America, you can also as well as live your own life, live your own fake life. Yes, my husband bought America for me. Agbama ayo namasa na guiba. We should all learn to respect each other. We should all learn to respect each other, especially manivia dona. Okay, keni mawa uwe. Ben ayamu hiye gbegbe. Ewe no riri kon ya live life eye. Ewa ro no be follow. Ewa ro no be like Kevin no be uni. Ewa ro no be like Kevin no be uni. In her own way, she's trying maybe also to teach many women to appreciate their husband. She's also trying to teach a lot of people that whatever your husband gives to you, appreciate it. Appreciate it and be happy with it. So you don't know. If you now as a man, you are not giving your wife anything, then you should be jealous of her. You should be saying, oh, what she's doing is wrong. She's not supposed to say, my husband bought this, my husband bought that, my husband did this. No. We all should learn. We should learn. We should learn. There should be no hatred. That one shouldn't be anybody's business. Walao. That one shouldn't be anybody's business. It's just for you to also learn from her what she's doing good. Where they learn boy, well, okay. Why have a walk by ne, or a wow when you're on nane, why got de mikine, or a wow when you're de mikine. There is like maybe she doesn't know how to put it, but she's like kind of trying to teach maybe many women that they should be appreciative, appreciate whatever little that your husband can provide for you at the moment, at the time. Maybe a boy area there, I don't work for myself when I win away. There are some men that really love that whenever they give you something, you should appreciate, and you should be prayerful, and you should be thankful. You should be grateful. Like where or yeah, what you mean we were say. There are many women who don't even say thank you to their own husband. There are many women why they don't say thank you. They don't even say thank you. But many just feel it's my right. It's my right. So long he's my husband, it's my right that he has to do this for me. No, it's his right that he has to do it for you. But you, as a woman, you should be appreciative. The more you appreciate, the more you say thank you. Many women don't even know how to say thank you. Whenever their husband gives them anything, they don't know how to say thank you. So we'll just be looking at it. Here or not there. They don't even know whether you like it or you don't like it. But the way you will be happy about it, it will also motivate the man to go and do more. Maybe a day will come, it will just surprise you with big things. That your mouth will you will open your mouth and you cannot close it again. Is what I believe she's trying to teach, but in a wrong way, in a wrong direction. When you are showcasing things, my husband bought this, also tell your followers they should be appreciative of whatever their husband is giving to them. Whether little is water, is whatever, is milk, is honey, anything that their husband gives to them. Also let your follower know that they should appreciate it. I believe maybe many women will now come to our understanding that, okay, this is what she's trying to say. It's not just that she just wants to tell the whole world or to exaggerate things, but I believe it is lack of words. How she is happy with whatever she gets, even if it's her own money, she can say it's my husband. It's no problem. You can also do the same thing. You can also do the same thing. You can also do the same thing. If you borrow wagon here push a wheelbarrow, but we are mere walking over this window. A judge in normal for Bob walking and I'm. It's like that. But when you see the man, you go see, say, this man resemble if he buy or land this or judge or single for a wife. But he they buy. He they buy. You feel not seeing for the man, but not the wife. Some men prefer me you they see for their wife and for their wife and their children body than their own body. Because once you don't see man, you don't see children, you don't see wife, you go no say, okay, this man, they really did. Now the year money they go. Some men, they are just like that. And you cannot change them. Why some, they just prefer to eat alone? Some men prefer to eat alone. Their money, you will be seeing it on them. But you will never see their money on their wife or on their children. There are men like that. Men, you have two categories of men. There are men who prefer not to put anything on themselves, but on their wife and on their children. And there are some men that just prefer, let my body, let my skin, let my everything. Even the man will even be dragging organic cream with the wife. And the man will even be polishing his own self than his own wife and his own children. There are men like that. Men are of different category, but if you as a woman, what she's doing, mago eguyo, omaheke ni mado agwegbe guya wegbe everioni, mama ni vieto wala wa ga stop mi no ma mi no gba. Even no riri kon ya live life o ga rive sola di akwa we mi ni kavetani o yan do eme o oma obo ba ni, but so long go enjoy game wa get play egbo mi no very happiness even anything. Emi no the happiness in anything, emi no the go in anything. Emi no be ya be go anything where wa mo dona, wa mo wana. You should leave her. So it depends on you as a man or as a woman. You want to go and buckle up your life, or you also want to feel like, okay, let me also copy some from her, that I should appreciate whatever little that my husband is giving to me. Appreciate the little your husband is giving to you. He might do more for you tomorrow. There are some men that they don't, even if they have millions, you will not know as a wife. You as a wife, you will not know. There are millions, they will be eating it little by little, and they will tell you they don't have. There are men like that. And whereby there are also men, if they have one error, they like to share it with the wife, the children. They will just... They have nothing left anymore until they finish that money on their wife and on their children. Wala wo if do me dore na butana wala why gima you ni maya mwegbi maria emi no riri kan da doge ni da doge o na do ya gbo fe gbeji o mwigo ladian o ma mwigo ladian o tian wa ga o wa odon na niyen o wa odon ene o wa gi oni ga business man wa ve gi vie kon ve ni ave ya live here. Even if you go ya live here. Emi ya na be timani vie do wu na ni ave ya go be geni. E ban if you go be do sun awo e nanya. But if you do huli yan lawa. Aba Joseph agreed. If you do huli yan lawa, if you do ga tin ya sentro, if you do ga ka we wa la party wa de gbe figo. Ni mi go bo boy, I do robi ave social media. Eri wa ya huli yan lawa. Eri waya huliyan lawa. Eri waya huliyan lawa. But agi mi obi kubana venene migi wana nya kubana chief priest nya. Eti mani de by mani via dona imagi ve kpo boji nya o rive jema. But again eti mana we ana amo jana aria. Oriana ari ma weko. Mana bala o jana do agbiyan ve social media na amu yan ro ve social media. Ohama yigie ya ya ikoye party ohan yigi yan ri obon la jan yin we pore na be ni go ni ahan gifi. You know good. How can him change? How can him change? Emi ya no ma wa bege we o ma wu o e ma wu agba agbofojo. Kubana priest no chief priest no ya mwe bondo do ala diana nya. We ado kama nya we no mwe yoto. Wa do kama nya wa ya tie ishentroa. Wa e ma do kama e bondo enigi yafi. Iya gi je wa yafi. If you have mamu ya laja, rather if you have gbeweyo, the whole Nigeria ya gbeweyo. The EFCC mwe obi kubana noro. Ovie DSS, ovie Director General of DSS, your petition area where Wamawe say that the father should go after the politicians than individual. Ma heke we manivye do abehemi ado ona na miewe mama na si ovye we mani kotone na do ya hine khere no bia gwa azo bobeku mi no gba Emi no gba erita ese. Wari obonye dado re kunre. Wari obonye dado. No kon live a fake life. O ma kan we o wa woje. E yon pay o wo pay bill ore. Wa ge live life no no live. Eri me bege e ma gbonase. Emi ne dado re ri kon ya o live life e. Obun eno. Omo wa Africa. Ewe Africa. Oni e business e dado re. Only a business that dog. So sometimes we should learn to throw away our eyes from people matter. Even if I live here, who I beg, who be more when you more wet bavari. Who more wet by Yavaniri because Mamma don't beg some of the color where on Mavi who me down, or do I teach Avi who near me down, me down my eye, a week with so do ya go when you're home. Oh, who no do ya gwa wa e kon bu wa ozuo e nonya. Egbo e marriage ni already kaane. You can never be a copycat to anybody. If your brain is really working, you don't need to be a copycat. You don't need to be a copycat. You don't need to be a copycat. Oh, go and look at her. The husband is giving her heaven and earth. You, my husband, you have to give me heaven and earth. Kena wa na wina hu we na wina. Kenu yena me ya supporter wa boy we me be bani ya supporter wa we. So why the jealousy? Why the hatred? Why the hatred? And if you have women, if you do out here, you way, why mot you wa gboto? But wa mi o give you wa akpo bole li atian ya. Emma nya wa stop e. Emma emi no gba emi esi. Mo wa la o. Emi esi. Emi Only emi no di me we emi because emi ni mani via do soin no ga ari yogogo. You gbensoro a platform of Igbopa. Mena mi video ave teme ni aniga via ave Italy ave destiny bagwaru wala ve ni ave gani ya mami go re gani ya na yaku ya na mu go yunwetebu. A platform Igbo ana abege. But in an ajunu zanzan, egene tinga do ya swan awanya, in a magigwa. A platform of one emena mi early this year. But egene tinga give Igbo do ya swan shoke say, on a moye page, but on magwa. In a do ya helia. Once year of a roink bima, manive nyak bima ni me nya etima, my big bima ladian. Emma. O ke ni ma to bi ma ni ma lu enwa na dossier a dossier okoye ma si okoye ma ege no ke na we maybe Gaya regroup as a one race ni vie gon emi na certain le lima kon eni ya vie gon ya robi ma be social media na eni ya renusu because ya beg anywhere even imi ma ya ajunu ya mwekbi maria i vie gon ya beg eni ya ma o ya me ni ya be ya translate it down yo. So ya bega ene o si ya igawe ivi gbo ara gwanya enivie do ya kasuju we ya maso yu we egba ekera na te history edo ivi gbo vivi yo ban ya mana gbene ye ba ni egba ni ya rovi o rivie do because ya bega ene we matobi ma o mu egbima e ma veri oni e gon ya kan ri do lelu we do ya lele we khon we ya already bega ene we e lupo reda de yani Eria ya succeed. Edo wukmo wa wana boy. Oni enwa no heke ni maami. Ena agbina everyday gbina. Then the social media ya fure. But because a man boom me salary never way, so work heke ni gbina ni wa continue. The more ni gbina yaro, the more the salary aya increase. Me no buy. I mean, not by your boss, you will go lele, all in the name where on where amigo cookie, Emma, any legacy. Every time do fake life, no fake life, none of my business. That is how I live my life. None of my business. It's like that. Ema ya ni re Nollywood ivetene na egeni ya kwon mi egeni ado ya ahen ni ado ya ahen mi go egeni ado ya ahen we obodin yan mi rokpa a fake life eni ya bihin a fake life ya se gbe Hollywood a fake life Gbensoro we ado abege yen wona ma pay tax on ma pay tax. Ege na rokeli ya areni bobo. Ne di o wodi ya akpi wan. Ate yen we ya rokeli ge fake life for life. No ya mwe you we kan de na. E because people was he also not the fake life? No way ya ye dioma at the age of 80 so tona we ya ye kan. So think about it. Whatever you do, your evening with her. So thank you all so much. I greet you now. Please help me to share this video. Always learn to love yourself. Stop the hatred. It's not good. Among we, it's not good. Thank you. Later, if I'm free, I come out for politics tonight. I get a lot to talk about politics this evening. Thank you all so much.